Well, turning to Europe now, the widening debt crisis is affecting all kinds of businesses, even so-called defensive ones. Governments are seeking to rein in costs, including the price of health care and medicine. For more on how these prospective changes are affecting his strategy, we are joined right now by Marijn Dekkers. He is the CEO of Bayer, Europe's biggest drug and chemical maker. We are so glad to have you with us this morning, sir. On November 11th, German lawmakers approving the first controls on the cost of innovative medicines. Drug companies such as yours have about a year's window to negotiate prices with insurers. Some have said this change could cost drug makers more than 2 billion euros collectively. Does that number sound right to you?
It sounds pretty close to, yeah, what I think the industry is expecting, Deirdre.
It is. All right. So what is your strategy then for coping with these, let's call them value-based pricing methods?
Well, for us, it's very important that we have under development products that are really superior in performance compared to what's already out in the market. Because we believe that when you truly have superior products that address critical clinical needs, that the society will in general be willing to pay for those innovations. The problem is when you come out with Me Too products, then it is harder to convince society to pay high competitive prices. So
Marijn,
that's our strategy, develop really differentiating products.
And when you say really differentiating, I mean, there's a lot of pressure now, increased pressure, to only use drugs that have proven benefits. I know in the UK, this is very much on the table right now. If Germany were to adopt similar measures, I mean, what does this do to your marketing costs?
Well, the marketing cost will go up. I mean, basically in trials, you will have to involve so many patients that to really prove that the products are superior and really have, good performance with the patients, that will drive up the cost. There is no question.
Do you have an estimate of how much?
We have one product, Xarelto, under development. Yeah, I mean, that could be by 40–50% in clinical trials. We have one product under development where we have already tested 64,000 patients.